The nozzle and the small exposed tip at the end of the caulk tube are what typically dry out first. The common construction cartridge holds the bulk of the sealant under a fairly airtight environment, so the material inside remains pliable long after the tip hardens. When air reaches the product, it first contacts the exposed bead in the nozzle, and the thin outer layer cures quickly because it has a high surface area to volume ratio. To salvage a tube, cut the nozzle back in small increments with a sharp utility knife until you reach soft material, then squeeze a small amount out first to confirm flow before reinstalling a smaller opening for finishing work. For long-term storage, plug the cut nozzle with tape and wrap the threaded cap area with plastic film, then screw on a tight cap or use a reusable cap system designed for cartridges. If you want to avoid repeated cutting, switch to a replacement nozzle system that lets you remove cured tips while preserving the rest of the tube, or transfer the inner bag if using a sausage pack into a fresh cartridge sleeve. Always store cartridges upright with the nozzle up in a cool, dry place to keep the bulk product stable, and check manufacturer maximum shelf life printed on the tube. People often assume the entire tube is ruined when only the tip is blocked, which leads to unnecessary waste. Cutting back or swapping the nozzle usually fixes the issue. Others cut too little and repeatedly scrape, which creates jagged openings that cause uneven beads. Cut cleanly and test flow on scrap surface to set a consistent bead size. A third common mistake is leaving the tube exposed or storing it nozzle down, which draws air into the cartridge and accelerates curing. Keep the nozzle sealed and store upright to slow exposure. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners locate trusted local contractors and compare options for projects related to sealing, caulking, and general repairs. We also help contractors find work and join our active discussion community, where we and other members share practical tips on product storage and nozzle techniques.